I done left the meeting. Dang it.
Judge Lakita Williams is back. You want her to stay out?
That's fine. She can just stay in here. I'm not doing her first, but she can stay in. I logged myself off by accident.
Okay, I'll remake you co-host.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Thank you.
And Tiffany came back too. She must have logged off too. So.
Wait for a second. They'll be all right. Where'd I move them to? I don't know. Where's Taylor? They could come out to the main session. Oh, Robert, you're. Mr. Young? Robert Young? Mr. Young?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of People versus Robert Earl Young. This is U ticket 606-86321. This is one count disorderly conduct. Today is the day and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brandon McNeil, P number 81300, appearing on behalf of Robert Young, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Young, state your name.
Robert Earl Young.
All right. Today's the day and time set for a bench trial. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, we are ready to proceed to trial, but I do not believe that any officer has checked in on this matter. For that reason, we would ask for a dismissal, Your Honor.
The time is now 10:08 a.m. No officer having checked in for this matter. Court's going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Sir, you are all set for this matter. They can refile it if they want to, but you're all set as of today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Thank you, counsel.
You too, have a blessing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Did you speak to Tiffany Williams on the phone, Ms. Carver, or no?
Tiffany Williams, no.
That's not Tiffany Williams. That's why Tiffany, ma'am. Tiffany. That's not Tiffany Williams. Tiffany Williams still in the breakout room. I don't know who that is.
She must be on another. Because when she signed in the first time, it was just Tiffany. So that's why I'm thinking it's the same one. She's probably on a different device.
I think her name is Tiffany Young.
I don't know who that is. All right. Lakita Williams. That's all right. I'll figure it out later. Tiffany Williams. Lakita Williams.
Yes.
All right. Turn on your camera, please.
That's all.
Turn it on.
Oh, my camera not coming on. Go ahead. Okay, there you go.
All right. Now I'm calling the matter of People versus Lakita Williams. This is ticket number SP 1397332. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229. I am one of your house counsel today representing Ms. Williams. State your name, please, Ms. Williams.
Lakita Williams.
Your Honor, we had a nice long talk. At this time, my client wishes to continue her not guilty plea ask this matter to be set for a bench trial on Zoom.
All right, if that's the case. Hey, can you please raise your right hand for me, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, you had a chance to talk to Attorney Marlena about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the prior and finer facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this matter for a bench trial on the date of August 1st. August 1st at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
There's nothing further. You are all set, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
August 1st, 9 a.m. via Zoom.
Okay.
You're welcome. Del Mario Williams, turn off the TV for a moment. I'm gonna call your case, okay? I'm gonna mute the phone. Right. Oh, I ain't gonna lounge back. I'm gonna lounge back too like that. I'm gonna sit like him for the hearing. There we go. All right, we both want to sit up there. Now calling the matter of People versus Del Mario Williams. This is ticket number, hold on, what's your middle name?
Devon, Devon.
Okay, this person. You think they spelled it wrong? That's right.
Judge, I noticed that there are two spellings on the docket. I did ask him the spelling of his first name, and that's the spelling he gave me.
What's your date of birth, sir? Is it 07/24/82?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I just spelled it.
Okay, I saw that too. So it is him?
Yeah, it's the ticket. One inside. One inside. Yeah. Okay. All right, we just got to change it. All right, they just put it in the system wrong. Okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Del Mario Williams. This is U ticket 733-99011. That's one count of violation of the Controlled Substance Act. C 5277801. That's one count of drove while unlicensed. Count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1053415. Count 1 is operating while intoxicated. Repeat offender, it looks like. Count 2 of that same ticket is drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 8316111. That's one count of drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 936785. Count 1. That's one ticket count of drove while license suspended. Ticket number SX 216-88861. That's one count alcohol. Oh, it's unlawful use of a license plate. My apologies. Then we have ticket number U 32595207. One count enter without owner's permission. U ticket 45965718. That's one count of possession of suspected narcotics. Z ticket 7950. Nope. Sorry, I'll start that again. Z ticket 795110. That's one count operating while impaired or operating while intoxicated city. Ticket number 09405214. Okay, thank you for muting her. 2141. That's one count license improper. Ticket number 184332951. That's one count of no operator's license on person. And then ticket number They left out a letter. Z80666311. That's one count operating while intoxicated sitting. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Williams. State your name, sir.
My name is Del Mario Williams.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for a pretrial. I think because of the seriousness of some of these matters, Mr. Williams is going to need an attorney, and I'm asking the court to appoint him an attorney. I don't know if you want to set it for another pretrial or go set it for a trial date.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it for a pretrial, but I'm gonna do a quick pretrial. That way I make sure he has assigned counsel, and then we can make sure that whatever bench trial date I set works for everybody. So I'm going to set it for, is that what you want to do, Mr. Williams, get assigned counsel for you for these matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna have you call the court after we get off the hearing so we can get some information for you, so I can have counsel appointed, okay? I'm gonna have you come back on May 30th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. That's so I can make sure counsel is appointed to you, okay? And so I can make sure we pick a date for all these matters to be heard, okay, as a bench trial.
Pardon me, ma'am. Can we do May 31st?
We can. Thank you for telling me. May 30th is not a good day.
No, ma'am.
Okay, May 31st is fine. We'll do May 31st at 8:30 a.m. Okay, and hopefully counsel will reach out to you before then, but call the courtroom. Let me give you the number. You ready to take it?
Hold on, ma'am. Let me get a pen.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
No, you're fine. Thank you for telling me.
Ooh. Okay, I'm ready.
All right. So it's 313
313
965
965
2293.
93.
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, call the courtroom. That way we can be able to get your information so we can get counsel hooked up with you for these matters, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much. I'll see you back May 31st at 8:30 a.m. And at that time, we'll pick the trial dates. You'll have your attorney, so that will make sure everything works for everybody, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Enjoy your day.
You enjoy your day too. Bond set at $0 for these matters. Did you pay some bond money for any of these? If you did, I'll just leave it as is.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I put it at $0. Okay. All right. All right. Attorney Carver, who do you have? Is it anybody on the screen right now?
Yes, Ashley Whitman, I just admitted. Should I admit the others who I'm ready for as well?
No.
Oh.
It'll annoy me because they be doing too much. They be walking around.
Okay, do you want me to tell you who I'm ready for?
I see them in the breakout room. I'll just ask who it is before I bring it.
I think they're all in the waiting room, actually. I
Yep,
don't
in the
know
wait.
why.
Yep. All right.
And Ms.
So,
the judge about the waiting room, that way it's not confusing.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
all right. Ashley Whitman, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of people versus Ashley Novella Whitman. This is ticket number SP 1398278. Count one, driver's license never required. Ticket number SP 1398293. Count one, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver, appearing on behalf of Ms. Whitman. Ms. Whitman, can you state your name?
Ashley Novella Whitman.
Today is the date and time set for pretrial. Ms. Whitman would like to take advantage of the offer for fail to display a valid license, and the insurance ticket would be dismissed.
All right, if that's the case, can you please raise your right hand, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Whitman, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, ma'am?
yes,
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
yes,
All right, ma'am, I'm gonna take you back to the date of October 17th of 2022. Were you in the area of Gratiot and Burns in the city of Detroit driving a Ford vehicle?
yes,
And while you're driving that vehicle, do you not have your driver's license, ma'am?
no, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, yes.
And the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended count. Fail to display the other count as a civil infraction, I'll dismiss that. Ma'am, you gotta get your license to drive, okay?
I am.
For real, because it makes it so hard when you have tickets trying to get that license. It makes it 2 times, tough, okay? All
Yes,
right, so my fine is $200, ma'am. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
All right, so I have it due no later than May 26th, 2023. Now, in the system, Ms. Clayton, I also want you to find out, a lot of times the no proof of insurance will have what's called a reinstatement fee. That's $45. You may have to pay that. I can't waive that cost and fine, okay? It's okay.
Okay,
The baby said she had enough. She had been waiting all morning long to do that, so she couldn't. Okay, all right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Whitman. Just pay that fine by then, and I just didn't want you to get surprised by that fine potentially, okay?
okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All right, have a good day, okay, ma'am?
You too.
I will, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Lakari Woody was here earlier. He must have left the Zoom because the asterisk is not on his name anymore.
We are ready on him.
Okay. I don't know if I am though. Let me see if I can get a file for him. He may have left out before I got the file.
I think I sent people back and then they were, I don't know. I think I did. I think it was me that did something wrong.
1 second.
Judging by all my people are in the waiting room. I might have sent them out early.
Oh, Ms. Carver? Yeah, the plan for them to come out of the breakout room and then they go into the waiting room until the judge brings.
Okay. So
Yeah.
everything's fine then. Thank you.
All right, Lakari, Woody Hope, it's okay. Lakari, Woody Hope. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Lakari Woody Hope. This is ticket SP 1396929. Disobey lawful orders of a police officer. Ticket number SP 1396927. Violation of the basic speed law and or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 2 is tinted windows. Also, Attorney Carver, you may not know, he had a hearing date on 4/24 that he missed. It was SP 1421126, reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Woody. Mr. Woody, can you state your name, please?
I did not get none of that. My phone.
And it froze again. All right, get to a spot where you can sit still, Mr. Woody.
1 second, cause, oh, hello?
Hello, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, all right, I called the case, and I said that you have 3 tickets that were on the docket for today. You have 1 additional ticket for court hearing that you missed.
Yes.
Gotta get a place where it's not a lot of people talking, okay? And now we just ask for you to state your name for the record, okay?
Can you state your name?
Ricari Woody.
Today is a date and time set for a pretrial on the 3 tickets you read into the record. In light of the reckless driving, Mr. Woody would like to set these matters for a bench trial date. Actually, the prosecutor requested that as well to speak with the officer. Would you set aside the default and the reckless driving as well and set that for a trial date with the others?
I will. We're gonna set it for a show cause because it's a misdemeanor, but we'll give him the same date for a bench trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Woody, will you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about that, or Ms. Carver, about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier finder of facts. The officers are gonna have to come so they can speak with the prosecutor about this case. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to have a bench trial before me?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna set it for the date of August 1st. Put that in your phone. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay? August
Okay.
1st, 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 person. Mr. Woody, you gotta drive, okay, though. If you in Dodge vehicles ain't friends, get rid of it, okay? Because you don't want no more of these tickets. These tickets got lots of points and stuff. Not saying that you're guilty of it. I'm just letting you know right now. Get that under vehicle, because you don't want to lose your license, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Woody. All right. All right. If
Thank
there's nothing further, you're welcome. I'll see you back for your bench trial on August 1st, okay? 9 a.m.
Okay. Okay.
All right. You're all set. You're welcome, sir. Get back to work. Next, I see Marvin Wright.
That should be Attorney Walling.
Okay, cool. Mr. Wright?
Are you there, Mr. Wright?
Yes, I have.
He is. I was just waiting for him to sit down and potentially take the toothpick out of his mouth as well. Thank you. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marvin Wright. This is ticket SP 1384334. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. He also has a civil infraction that was with that ticket, Attorney Wiley. That's ticket SP 1384211. That was stop street or intersection failed to stop. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, my name's Philip Walling, representing Marvin Wright. State your name, sir.
Marvin Wright.
Your Honor, at this time, my client wishes to continue his not guilty plea. We're asking the court to set these matters for a bench trial via Zoom.
If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of August 1st. August 1st, that's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. If the ticket that was with this is in default, I'll remove it from default at this time and put it on that date as well, okay?
August the 1st.
August 1st, okay? 9
What
a.m.
time?
9 a.m.
August 1st, 9 a.m.
Yes, write it down, because if you miss it, guess what I put into the system? A warrant. Yes, so write it down, August 1st, 9 a.m. Yes, I do. All right, Mr. Wright.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you August 1st,
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. That's right, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
No problem.
Bye-bye.
Lonzo Winbush is the next person on my list.
I have Mr. Winbush.
Lonzo Winbush?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of people versus Lonzo Winbush. This is ticket SP 1398629. Count 1, drive at speed too fast for conditions. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. He also has a ticket scheduled for arraignment on May 16, 2023 before me for ticket SP 1434831 for 1 count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Winbush. Mr. Winbush, can you state your name, please?
Lonzo Lewis Winbush.
Mr. Winbush would like to accept the plea offer for the reduced charge of improper plates. However, knowing about the disorderly conduct, I'm not sure if would Mr. Winbush, would you like me to talk to the prosecutor again about all 3 of your matters?
Yes.
Okay, I can do that then.
All right, we'll put you back in the waiting room. She didn't know, the council did not know about this extra ticket, but what I like to do, Mr. Winbush, is try to avoid you having to come back to court so many times. And if we can handle everything at one time, I try and pull it off. So she didn't know about this ticket. So she's gonna try and talk to the prosecutor and see what we can do to try and resolve it. So we're gonna put you back into a breakout room so she can speak to you after she speaks to the prosecutor, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, Mr. Winbush. All right, what room was he in? Anybody know?
He was in 8.
Okay. Well, okay. Mr. Winbush, are you able to go back on your computer? Are you able to see breakout rooms at the bottom and select 8 or no?
I see the breakout thing. When you push
click on the
that,
breakout. Yeah, click on breakout rooms and then it says join 8, okay?
okay.
Thank you so much, sir. All right.
I think the prosecutor might have checked out. I need to-
It's okay, I'll get her back. She just came in the courtroom, so she's not too far away.
I have her phone number, but I don't have my phone, so.
That's okay. We'll get her back, don't worry. Justin Wells is the next person I called in.
Yes, I have Mr. Wells.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Justin Aaron Wells. This is ticket SP 1398728. Count 1, speed 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells, can you state your name?
Unmute yourself for us, sir.
Justin Aaron Wells.
Thank you.
Mr. Wells will like to take advantage of the plea offer for responsible to limited access 1 to 5. He also provided valid insurance today, but that would be dismissed.
All right, sir, you want to take advantage of that plea of responsible to 1 to 5 is 0 point offense. I just have to charge you a fine, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, do you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket to establish a factual basis?
Yes.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter in a plea to the amended charge of limited access 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. The remaining is stipulation for probable cause to dismiss the remaining count. Is that correct, Attorney Carver?
That's correct.
All right, so the court's going to enter in just that plea, dismiss the remaining charge because he now has valid documents. Sir, the fine for that is $125. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay it. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so it's going to be due no later than May 10th, okay? $125 due on May 10th, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Wells, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right. I have Dontre Williams.
Yes, I have Mr. Williams.
Looking out, this how they fell in. Dontre Williams.
Mr. Williams, are you there?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Dontre Marcel Williams. This is ticket number S. What are you looking at? What you got going on over there, Mr. Williams?
None.
All around.
I'm tired.
I understand. I'm hurry up, okay? All right, ticket number SP 1391960. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper lane usage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, can you state your name, please?
Dontre Williams.
Today is the date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Williams would like to take advantage of the offer and enter a guilty plea for fail to display a valid license.
All right, is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or, yes, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you want to move forward, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take you back to the date of October 3rd of 2022. So were you driving a Mazda vehicle in the area of Mack and Burns Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, yes.
And the stipulation to probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes.
Okay, and so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to one count, fail to display a valid operator's license. The remaining counts will be dismissed, okay? Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60.
60, okay. I'll have to do no later than June 26th, okay? You can make payments on that too, so you can pay a little bit here and there to get to the $200, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Williams. Get that license.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
too.
All right. LaDonta Taylor.
I have Mr. Taylor.
Where are your people at, Mr. Waller? Are they still in the other room? Mr. Taylor?
Yes.
I told them all to come out.
Yes.
All right, sir. Hold on a minute. Now calling the matter of the people versus LaDonta Taylor. This is ticket SP 1354924. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Taylor. Mr. Taylor, can you state your name, please?
LaDonta Taylor.
Do you have a
Mr.
TV
Taylor,
on in the background? Hold on a minute. Do you have the TV on in the background, Mr. Taylor?
Oh, shoot. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. I apologize.
Okay, all right, continue on, Attorney Carter.
Mr. Taylor would like to take advantage of the offer for fail to display a valid license today.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please, I said cut the TV off, not turn it off volume wise. Thank you. Can you please raise your right hand for me, sir?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 21st of 2022. At that time, sir, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Wyoming and Lodge in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfying, yes.
Court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended charge, fail to display the remaining civil infraction will be dismissed at this time. Sir, my fine is $200. How long do you need to pay that, 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
Okay, so I have it due no later than May 26, 2023, okay, sir?
Yes. I have a question.
Yes, sir.
So by me, today the case will be closed today, or I will have to pay the fine first for the case to be closed?
So typically we enter into the computer system that the case has been resolved at this point in time. Any costs and fines you need to pay need to be paid. Now, if it's reinstatement fees on the other ticket, let me see what that means. I don't know that it is, but once you do that and you pay the fine, we'll send clearance to the Secretary of State office, letting them know that you're ready to go.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you so much.
You're very welcome, but you gotta take care of it first and then they'll send it over saying they're all set to go, okay?
I understand.
All right, Mr. Taylor, good luck to you. I know you're trying to get that license together, so good luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're
Thank you.
very welcome. Good day. You're welcome. All right.
Bye-bye.
Adam Williams?
Yes, I have Mr. Williams.
You had a trial today too in here? Attorney Wilder? Okay.
Well, Ms. Wack is scheduled for trial. There's no officer on her.
Okay.
And I need to talk to the prosecutor, Mr. Williams. That's Officer Croxton is here.
Okay.
And then I need an offer on Tiffany Young.
Okay. All right, let me get the prosecutor back. What about Wade? Ronald Wade?
Wade, we are ready. I'm moving to dismiss. He's in compliance.
Okay, cool. Let me see if I can get him to come back while, it looks like Mr. Williams is having some trouble joining. So it's just saying joining right now. So sometimes it's a little difficult.
And I already talked to the prosecutor on Winbush too.
Okay. All right, Adam Williams?
I'm here. I'm so sorry. I was trying to get my daughter out of my way.
It's okay. It's okay. I know it can be difficult sometimes. You gotta move to where you need to have her.
Yes, I'm off getting her right now.
Okay, I'll give you a second. No worries. I know.
Okay.
I know. It's a little different to navigate. So just let me know when you're ready. Attorney Snyder, they need to talk to you about a couple of matters today too. So hold tight. Attorney Wallen does, and just Attorney Carter.
I'm ready right now.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second before I do that. Attorney Snyder and Wallen, what room do you want to go to talk? It doesn't matter. Y'all go to 1 or 2, either way. Go back to 1, and I'll put you in there, Attorney Snyder.
One's good.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter versus Adam Williams. This is ticket SP 1393481. Count 1, defective or missing equipment. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, can you state your name, please?
Adam Williams.
Mr. Williams would like to set these matters for a bench trial date.
If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Raise your right hand for me, Mr. Williams. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for a bench trial on the date of August 1st. August 1st, that's via Zoom. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you so very much.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
All righty. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. I brought Mr. Wade in, but that's Mr. Father's client, so just leave him there. All right, if you need to go talk to them, Attorney Carver, they're in room 1.
To who?
Room
Oh,
1.
no, I just need to talk to Mr. Winbush again. I talked to
Okay.
the
Whatever you
prosecutor.
need to do then. Thank you. We ready on Mr. Winbush?
Yes.
Recalling the matter of the people versus Lonzo Winbush. This is ticket number SP 1398629. Count 1, drive too fast for speed. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 143481313. No, 31. I apologize, no 3 at the end. Disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Winbush. Mr. Winbush, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes. Liza Lewis Winbush.
Mr. Winbush would like to enter a plea, the disorderly conduct up for arraignment in May. The prosecutors offered a 3-month delayed sentence. And he'd also like to enter a plea for improper plates, reduced from the no insurance. And then the fast conditions ticket would be dismissed.
I'm sorry, what? There was some noise. You said,
Ms. Carver.
I'm sorry?
Repeat it all over again.
Oh, okay. For the arraignment and the disorderly conduct coming up, Mr. Winbush would like to accept the offer for a 3-month delayed sentence. The fast conditions ticket would be dismissed and the no insurance would be reduced to improper plates.
All right, you want to take advantage of that today, sir?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You put your hand down, sir. Mr. Winbush, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to take you first back to the date of October 17th of 2022. At that time, sir, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Plymouth and Hubble in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
It did.
It expired?
We never know why it says no insurance. We still with the same insurance company to this day.
Do you have a copy of your insurance, Mr. Winbush?
My wife has them. I don't know what she did with them. She stepped out, but I'm willing to just go along with the plea.
You can't now, because you done told me on the record that you had the insurance. So now I gotta see the insurance. You can't start talking to you didn't answer the question I asked. Well, you did answer, but your answer to the question was, I had insurance, which is fine. Now I gotta see it. All right, I'll continue on with the other plea though. On the date of March 2nd, 2023, sir, were you in the area of Auburn and Sawyer Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were in that area, did you act in a disorderly manner?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Satisfied, counsel? With that count, just the disorderly.
Yes, satisfied.
And the court is satisfied as well with just the disorderly count. All right. So this is a 3-month delayed sentence, sir. What that means is as long as you follow the terms and conditions that I set out for you, that this matter will be just.
Yes, Your Honor.
Talking in the background.
I know, okay? I know. Give me 1 second, y'all. Yeah, you need to talk to her, please.
Yeah, I spoke with you. Can I approach the bench?
Yes, you may.
Oh, that's what you.
Yes, that's what she can hear. I'm good. How about yourself?
Can you get your insurance, Mr. Winbush?
I'm trying to look for.
Don't let him come into the building. I don't understand. See, that stuff right there, that stuff you don't get hollered at. You say, you're irritating today. See, I didn't ask him to come into the building. Then when I asked him to leave, he started complaining about his phone. So they told me he could just stay. And I said, okay. You know, so he just gotta stay out there and do what he gotta do. And so it's whatever. I just do it so he can go. Did he have all the documents? No, that's all I'm gonna tell you after you got the case. He's not gonna come back July 7th, 2023. He said I'm just, these people just get on my dirt. He had registration, he said he won't get his insurance in person. So tell him to come back on July 12th. Tell me a Zoom. Let me write it down for him. He had a Zoom paper, please. I was trying to see, he said that he just wants to pay it. Just 195. So I'll go back out. He's gonna say it's a lot more. He said he's gonna pay? He said he's gonna see how much it was to see if it's paid, but he's just getting this. If he wants to pay, he can pay it. I'll dismiss his other ticket online today. He can pay that. Because he doesn't have to do anything online for that. Yeah, let me put this on. Okay. Tell him it's gonna be 195 if you want to pay. But if you get his insurance on May 1st, I actually was gonna come May 2nd. Yeah, so I'm good. Yeah, I'm actually right. So May 2nd.
May the 2nd.
Yeah. Just tell him to come back May 2nd.
Okay.
Just tell him May 2nd.
All right.
We'll be able to handle it. And I'll tell him I'm gonna put his copy of his registration into my file so I know it's there. And tell him he can do Zoom.
Okay, and I'm gonna write it on the paperwork for him.
You want me to write May 2nd on the paperwork?
Sure, Your Honor.
Come back. May 2nd, 2023 at 8:35 a.m. via Zoom.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
You too, sir. You got the brunt of it because you don't understand.
Well, Your
I'll
Honor,
be
that's
sitting there
what,
hearing the video like, what's going on?
that's
I
why
can
they
hear
sent
everything.
me.
And I was like, ah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, ask her what she needs. Okay. Sorry, I have people in-house as well, so it always makes things a little more complicated. All right. Mr. Winbush, this is on a
Yes.
3-month delayed sentence. What that means is that in 3 months, as long as you follow whatever guidelines I give you, this matter will be dismissed, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it tonight or was it just someone who was called to a house, an officer who was called to a house and then things got a little rowdy?
Yes, the officer was called to a house.
Okay,
My-
all
my
right.
step-
So my fine for that ticket is $300, sir.
Okay,
All right, and then you have until July 26th, 2023 to have that paid, okay? That's the 3-month delayed sentence time, okay?
can I pay it tomorrow, Your Honor?
You can, but you still gonna have to be on the delayed sentence for 3 months, because it wasn't paid or delayed sentence, so. You can pay it whenever you want, it just has to be paid by that time, okay? And then it'll be dismissed. Because that wasn't the offer, was it, Attorney Carver? It wasn't, or a time of payment, it was just 3-month delayed sentence.
3-month delayed, yes.
Yeah, so you can pay it tomorrow, but it's just gonna have to be at that time. Were you able to figure out what happened with your insurance for me, sir?
Yeah, the insurance that I got now is that vehicle is no longer on there because I sold that vehicle.
Okay, do you have insurance that I can see? That's what I'm asking, Mr. Winbush. Valid insurance.
Not for that vehicle.
It's okay. Mr. Winbush, listen to what I'm telling you. Do you have valid insurance for the car you own right now?
Yes,
All right. All right, and it expires on what day, sir?
what day? 8/23/23.
Okay, all right. All right, here's what I'm gonna do, Attorney Carver. I'm going to dismiss that case because he now has valid documents for the vehicle that he currently owns and has insurance for, okay? As well as the drive at too fast for conditions. I know it went into, okay? So he's just gonna do that, disorderly conduct and pay my fine of $300 and that'll get dismissed too, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Winbush, did you hear what I said?
Can you repeat it, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
I can. Okay, so you gotta come back in 3 months for your review for your dismissal. Pay $300. I saw valid car insurance today on the vehicle you currently own. It's up to date and valid, so I'm gonna dismiss that as well as the drive at too fast for conditions, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, so just do the other one, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay, Mr. Winbush?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right, I will. So do we have Nicole Williams and Tiffany Young ready?
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
Okay. iPhone that just signed in, what's your name, sir?
Devontae Winston, Your Honor.
Have you checked in before?
No, ma'am, my phone was giving me troubles this morning. I finally was just able to get through.
It's 11 a.m., Mr. Winston.
Yes, Your Honor, my bad. I apologize. I just wanted to call better late than never. I apologize. I'm wrong.
What's your middle name?
Valdenize, Valdenize.
Attorney Carver, I see that Miss Ms. Snyder is still on. Would you like to talk to Mr. Carter? Who is it? Mr. Winston? I'm sorry.
I'd be happy to.
Mr. Winston, I can do that. No, I can do that. I'm sorry.
Okay,
I think you have to go on the record now.
okay, that'd be great too.
Okay.
Give me a moment to rename him.
Okay.
Is that Dave Vanta Winston?
Yes.
It is.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Snyder, we have someone who just checked in. Mr. Winston, give me 1 second though. I want to make sure I pull all his tickets. So, but Attorney Carver is gonna, one of the attorneys is gonna talk to you about it. I think it's Attorney Carver. I have 2 more matters for Attorney Wallen.
Did we let Ms. Wack go? There was that was a PO, no PO?
Tiffany Wet? No, she must be on the screen. Is that who that is?
I
Nicole Williams.
I know I got you, Ms. Williams. Then we have
Right.
Tiffany. Then we have Tiffany Wet.
Yeah.
Is that you, Ms. Tiffany Wet?
Yes, ma'am.
That's
I didn't
Tiffany
have your last
Young.
name. Okay.
And I also need Wade and Wack and Wheeler.
Mr. Winston, join breakout room number 2.
All the people are out, I think, now.
Good.
So. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tiffany Wack. This is ticket U635285222. This is 1 count disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Philip X. Walling, representing Tiffany Wack. State your name, please.
Tiffany Wack.
Your Honor, we're ready. There's no police officer here. Move to dismiss.
All right, time is now 11:03 a.m. No officer being present. The court is going to dismiss this without prejudice. Ma'am, you owe a number of fines to the court. You may want to come down here and start getting either on the payment plan or figure out a way that you can pay some of these costs and fines, okay?
Yeah, I thought I only had to pay we dismissed them and I only had to pay a $240 ticket.
Now, unless someone's been using your stuff, this looks like it's well over $2,000.
Yeah, I was just in court on April the 14th and I took a plea deal.
Now, on some of these old cases, I'm sure it's not. But some of these cases look like they from a long time ago.
Right, and I had came to court in for those on the 14th, and then I took a plea for a $200. They dismissed all the other ones, and I took a plea for
I'm telling you right now, 2010 cases, I probably did not bring up forward. I probably just did the cases that were more recent.
Okay.
I see some cases where you just owe $45, but that's because I didn't touch any of the cases that were in default from long ago. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Take care of that though, okay?
Okay.
All right. Nicole Williams?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Nicole Edith Williams. This is U ticket 22947115. This is 1 count filing a false police report. Ticket number 216207. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, possession of open intoxicants. Ticket number 145742224. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, insurance never acquired. Count 3, unregistered motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Philip X. Walling, representing Nicole Williams. State your name, please, ma'am.
Nicole Williams.
Your Honor, I had the opportunity to pre-try this matter with the people. Only Officer Croxton is present. She's gonna plead to one count of improper plate and the rest to be dismissed. Excuse me.
It's all right, you okay?
Gotta lubricate the pipes, Judge. Too much talking this morning.
Okay, all right, ma'am, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, I do.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or
No.
promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, that you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, I want to take you back to the date of December 29th of 2014, ma'am. Were you in the area of West Grand Boulevard and Lincoln Streets in the city of Detroit?
West Grand Boulevard and Lincoln Street.
Yes.
That
The
was,
Pontiac vehicle?
yes, more than likely. I do remember previously having a gold Pontiac.
Okay. Were you in that area driving it that day?
It was so long ago, but more than likely.
All right. And did you not have, was your insurance never acquired at that time, ma'am?
I believe I did not have insurance. I think they could have expired.
Miss Williams, Miss Williams.
Yes.
You know whether or not you had insurance.
Okay. I doubt it. I don't. Highly less than likely I had insurance because at the time I couldn't afford it.
So it's okay to just say, no, I didn't have insurance.
No, I
You know
didn't
you
have
It
insurance.
is not. Stop
Sorry
making
about
all
that.
roundabout ways around it, Miss Williams. We know that people have tough times and they don't always pay it. You trying to make it look better than what it is. You ain't had that stuff. It's expensive to have stuff in the city of Detroit sometimes. So you either paid it or you didn't. You know if you paid that $400 or not. Did you pay it?
No.
Okay, all right. Satisfied, counsel?
I am, Judge. Thank you.
Stipulation for probable cause of the remaining counsel be dismissed.
Yes, I will, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to one count of amended improper plates. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. I know it'll be tough out here, Miss Williams. I'm not denying that. You know what I'm saying? I know you're trying to, I get it, but just sometimes it's okay. I know it was a long time ago, but you know whether or not you had insurance on your vehicle.
Yes.
Okay, all right. And we know that you did not at that time, or else they would not give you this ticket.
Yep.
Okay. All right. All right. So, ma'am, my fine is $200. Is that something that you're able to afford?
Yes.
All right. How long do you need? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay. That's May 26th. Is that enough time for you, ma'am?
That's perfect.
Okay. All right. I have to do no later than May 26th. Like I said, the remainder tickets will be dismissed. Now, you may have some reinstatement fees. I don't have nothing to do with that. That's what the court asks for, okay? And so
Okay.
just check and see. You may not have any. You may have a few. Just look and see when you go in to pay the amount, okay?
Okay.
Those typically $45, but like I said, you may not have any at all. You may have one. You may have a couple. Just look and see so you'll know, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay, Ms. Williams? Good luck to you, okay?
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right. Mr. Ronald Wade, did she come out there and talk to you? She gave.
Hello? Okay.
1 second, Mr. Wade.
Oh.
So what we gonna do?
You're gonna get your case dismissed because you got all your stuff.
Okay,
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ronald Lee Wade. This is ticket number SP 1353610. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Also, what you probably don't know about, that's a warrant status, council.
I don't.
310-383-16. This is one count. Looks like it might be entering without owner's permission.
What is its current status, Your Honor?
That status is it's a warrant status. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, my name is Philip Walling, representing Ronald Wade. Now state your name, Mr. Wade. Get off mute.
okay. Ronald Lee Wade.
The two matters I know about, Your Honor, that are on the docket this morning, he is in compliance. I'm moving to dismiss. I don't believe Ms. Schneider has an objection.
All right. Ticket number SP 1353610 for counts 1 and 2, because he is now in compliance, being an officer of the court, haven't seen those valid documents. I'm going to dismiss those without prejudice. Without prejudice, I speak more clearly. As to the U ticket, I know you weren't familiar with that, but it's a warrant status from 2016, it looks like. It happened in Sunderland and McNichol Street back on August 2nd of 2016.
August of 2016. Gee, I'd like the chance to talk to Ms. Schneider about that.
Okay. All right, I'll pass over this matter for that last little portion. He needs to talk to Attorney Snyder, Mr. Wade, about this last ticket. Attorney Snyder, if you need any additional information, please let me know. I'll give it to you. For this particular matter.
Sorry to interrupt, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. Was it a 2014 ticket?
2016.
2016?
2016.
I'll dismiss it for age, Your Honor.
Okay.
All
right.
Always a pleasure.
So at this time, the court is going to dismiss this ticket without prejudice. Sir, you got a break today because you didn't come back. I hope you are not participating in the behavior that got this green ticket anymore.
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay,
And Miss
you too.
Tiffany Young, can you hear me? Press *6 on your phone, please.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay.
He
Now
wrote
calling.
in. You cut everything off.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Tiffany Aladdin Young. This is ticket SP 1398090. Count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, defective windshield. Also calling ticket number SP 1398092. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Philip X. Walling, representing Tiffany Young. State your name, please, Tiffany.
Tiffany Aladdin Young.
Your Honor, the people are recommending that if Ms. Young pleads to the amended charge of failure to display, they will move to dismiss the other two counts. I've talked this over with Ms. Young, and that's what she wishes to do. She has been told of her rights.
All right. If that's the case, Ms. Young, please raise your right hand.
Yes,
Do you swear? Thank you so much. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Oh, excuse me. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor, yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes,
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial of these matters? You understand that?
yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take you back to the date of October 18th of 2022, ma'am. Were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of 7 Mile in Lincolnshire in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving this vehicle, was your license not valid at the time?
No, no license at all, Your Honor.
Okay, satisfied, counsel?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failure to display a valid operator's license. The remaining 2 tickets will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
All right, so I'll give you until June 26, 2023, okay?
June 26th. Now, will I go down to the court and pay that?
You can either come down here and pay it on the first floor, or you can pay it online, ma'am.
Oh, okay, June 26th.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, and you can make payments on it too, so you don't have to pay it all at once. If you got a little here, a little there, put it on there,
Yeah,
okay?
thank God. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask next. Thank you. That was my next question. Thank you.
I know it's some money. I'm not asking you for like $10, $15. So I get it. So just make payments on it, okay?
Yeah, I appreciate everything.
No problem, Miss Young, okay? You take care of yourself, okay?
Thank you. You too. Have a blessed day.
All right, you too. Thank you so much, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, 1 second. Attorney Werberling, I didn't even see you come on. Attorney Werberling, I don't have a Frank Yono on my docket.
I think that was what he was.
I know you have that one more person, Attorney Carver. 1 second, okay?
Yeah, could we check to see if this license is valid?
Oh, okay. We can do that for you. Give me 1 second, okay? Yes. Attorney Werberling, can you hear me?
Yes, Judge, how are you? Good morning.
I'm good, and you? I'm good. I saw you come on, and then I forgot. I don't see this
Judge.
person
I
on my
appreciate
docket.
you hearing this matter.
Case number for me, I don't know. Can you talk to me about? It's valid.
Thank you. He's looking for his insurance, but I think he's gonna be a dismissal.
That's cool. Just give him a moment to look for his insurance. He was nice when he signed on. That's why I let him come in at 11 o'clock in the morning. Do you have a case number for me, Attorney? Oh, Werberling? I don't know this case.
Yes, Judge, it was SP 143-10221.
Hi, Fred Yotto. Is that who it is?
Yes, Judge. Oh, Yaldo. Why did I put Yono? Sorry. Oh, boy.
They're closed. He paid it.
Oh, yeah, this is the one that he was. Now,
Okay, now hold on a minute. You already talked to Attorney Snyder about it?
I did. I think she just wanted to see if he was eligible for anything. Since he paid it, kind of, he jumped the gun on that.
Did you figure anything out, Attorney Snyder?
I think it would be up to you, Your Honor. I don't know exactly how old the ticket is, but if you were willing to pull out of default.
He ended up paying it, so what I'm getting, looking at the thing, he ended up paying it already. So is there something I can do? What do I do with that? Anybody know?
Judge, I didn't, if Ms. Schneider was willing to amend it to something that he would have been eligible if he didn't pay it prematurely. That was the only thing that we were trying to do, if that was possible.
I mean, I don't mind. I just don't know if it's something I can do. Am I allowed to do that now that he's paid it? Don't tell me I can do whatever I want to do. That's not
No,
the answer
I think it can be amended, right? If there's an agreement.
Oh.
I gotta ask questions because he already paid it. So now it's showing $0 owed in here. So I don't, we gotta ask some questions. I don't know what to do with that.
Okay.
What time? Is it 11:22? I just want to ask y'all. Yes. Okay. I gotta get an answer for you. I don't know exactly how to do this. Attorney Werberling, can you potentially, I gotta find out if this is possible, because I don't know. He's paid for it.
Okay.
So I gotta find out if we can even go on a computer system and be able to do something like that. Give me some time. How
Oh, no problem,
about,
Judge. I can come back another time. I didn't.
okay. How about, how long? Okay, call my courtroom, okay? And we're gonna figure it
Okay.
out, because I don't want you just to be waiting, and then
No
we can
problem.
figure out. I need to know, I'll say this, I don't mind doing it, I just need to know if it can be done, since it's paid.
Right. Okay, I
Okay.
understand. I mean, I think on the
So,
legal
as
end,
long as you have
right,
no
on the legal
objection,
end, I think if the city is amenable to it, but are you saying maybe on the computer end, it may not be possible?
right, so I
Okay.
don't, like, cause it's closed out completely.
Right.
So that's the problem. So it's not like it's open and I can do it. It's closed, and that's the problem. So I don't know if this is something that can be done. So that's why we gotta figure out. I think the city will be able to be willing to work with you, but I don't even know if it's something that we can reopen.
Okay. Okay.
Let me
Let me
find
see.
out. So just call us and then we'll.
Yes, Judge. What's the best number for you?
313-965.
Okay. Yep.
2293.
Thank you so much, Judge. Thank you.
Very welcome. All right.
Thank you.
Will you go check on him, Attorney Carver, and see what's going on?
Mr. Winston,
Yeah.
he can't find it right now, so we were just gonna ask if he could come back in a couple days or even tomorrow, I think. He just can't find his insurance. He has it, but he can't. His girlfriend is the one who secured it, so he doesn't have the email.
He didn't think of doing that before he signed on at 11?
No, I don't think he did, honestly. I think he thought of it right when I asked for it.
One second. Yeah. All right, so the 16th or the 19th, let me see. Yes, you are joining too late. Miss iPhone, wherever you are, ma'am, you can go ahead and call the courtroom. This is, I'm sure your matter was scheduled for 8:30 a.m. It's 11:27. Can you hear us, ma'am? What's your name?
Felicia Washington.
Felicia Washington, supposed to be at 8:30.
You're supposed to be here at 8:30 a.m.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just woke up.
It's arraignment on a bench warrant. It's gonna be a bench warrant out there. I don't know what to say. The bench warrant shall remain until we come and have it back court. Treated captive. I was about to say, I don't know what to tell folks.
Yeah. Go back.
Okay, I'll reschedule it.
Okay.
Again.
You want me to give it a full reset?
Attorney Carver, did you have a case you were looking to talk to me about?
No, I don't think so, no.
Okay. They need me back in 434.
Okay.
All right. This Friday. Okay, hold on. You can go ahead, Attorney Snyder. You're all set. Thank you. Let me ask you this. Do you have your title, your registration, ma'am?
Are you talking to me?
Yes, Miss Washington.
No, I don't have that car anymore.
Okay. Come back on Friday.
Okay.
Friday at 8:35. 8:35. What time are you coming back on Friday?
8:30.
Thank you so much. I'll see you Friday at 8:30, okay?
Okay, do I just sign on to the same
Yes, and you better be on time now because you got all the information.
I will be. Thank you.
All right, I'll see you 8:30 on Friday, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Washington. I'll see you then. All right, and then I'm gonna bring him out and tell him just to come back on, I'm gonna give him a couple of days. We say May 16th? Yes, all right. I'm bringing back May 16th. That gives him enough time to find it.
That's perfect. I'll be back in front of you on Friday, Your Honor.
Is Friday coming up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yep, you'll hopefully Miss Washington will sign in at the appropriate time.
You bet woman on that one, Your Honor.
Wait, did you have Mr. Winston come back too? Oh, no, he's still in the room.
I'm trying to get him out right now. I closed it because I asked him to come out and he didn't listen to me.
Well, she has to figure out.
So now I'm just closing down everything. I'm gonna have him come back in here now.
Okay.
Yes. All right. Mr. Winston, take your hat off, please. All right. Mr. Winston, it's my understanding that you can't find the documents, the rest of the documents that you need.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you driving? You can't drive on Zoom.
I'm pulling up right now, Your Honor. I'm stopped right now. I'm stopped. I'm done. I was already on it. My bad.
Mr. Winston, now you're about to get the ultimate plus out. You gonna come on late and then you got the audacity to be going someplace?
No, I'm trying to make it to work, Your Honor. That's all. I'm trying to make it to work. That's all. I stopped. I don't want to apologize. I apologize, Your Honor. I'm just trying to be the best citizen I could be.
Come back May 16th. May 16th at 8:30 because I got to see all the documents. You know,
yes, okay.
I need to see your insurance and I need that registration so that it's the Michigan registration.
I got the registration. I had the registration in my license. I just didn't see the insurance.
That's true.
I got to see all of it. Okay, I have the license. Before the license is valid. If you have the registration, it'll be valid then. I'm going to give you until May 16th because I want to take care of it all at one time. Okay.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
8:30 a.m., okay? I'll see you then. I'm not putting it on the record. Just come back May 16th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.